Hi guys! So, kakagising lang namin din. Punta kami rito sa baba. It's day 2. Mamaya ko. Yes, pero mag-extend ata kasi magsaswimming ka tayo. Magsaswimming kami kahit. Pero guys, tignan nyo ba naman yung pula? Paano kami magsaswimming nito? Alit lang yun. Tignan nyo. Punta kami sa pool. Ito outside nila yung si Bochag, si Kuya. Umakit. Guys, di ko na maano yung video kasi delete na kuya ko. Ayan, si Kuya. Ayan guys, tingnan na ba may pool. Pero, dito na isindaw na. Going back to Honolulu, say like Maui Wally. Kukuha. Tina, magta-tripod ka na naman. What are you doing? I wanna run?
Marge received a letter from Bart's school. Allergic to peanuts, so all students were forbidden from bringing peanuts.
Okay.
This meant Bart couldn't bring any of his favorite breakfasts.
So guys, shot muna kami ng TikTok namin. Then, sabi ko sa inyo ko, mag-swim na kami. For breakfast kasi ganyan. Guys, lilinisin daw ni Kuya. Then, syempre, tulong tayo. Wait lang.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.